Can I hear?
If I'm not in love with you, what is I'm going through tonight? If this heart is lying, what should I believe in? Why do I go crazy every time I think about you, baby? Why else do I want you like I do? If I'm not in love with you.
Bakit mo sinabi na hindi ka na mag-text kahit kailan? At hindi ka na papakita sa akin kahit kailan?
If I don't need your touch, why do I miss you so
Hindi naman
much?
talaga naging kagabi. Dahil pakasal mo na ginaw.
If it's just infatuation, why is my heart aching to hold you forever?
Hold you forever.
Give a part of me I thought I'd never give again to someone I could lose. If I'm not in love with you. Oh, why in every fantasy do I feel your arms embracing me like lovers love and sweet desire? Someone tell me why brings to us surrender like a little baby.
Ayan naman. Basta hindi ka lamigin.
This feeling, someone tell me.
If I'm not in love with you,
Pag hindi tinanggal yan ni Mama.
going through
Pag hindi mo tinanggal yan. Yan, yun, nakakailan.
This heart is lying.
satisfied.
What should I
Ay,
believe
talaga
in? Why do I go crazy every time I think about you,
Hindi
baby?
ka galit sa
Why
kanya.
else do I want you like I do?
May mga yung sabihin mo sa kanya. Alam mo lang.
If I'm not in love,
Oh. Hindi ka nagalit. Bakit ganyan? Bakit sir? Isa nga my favorite. No, kay fuck ko yun. Oh. Ay. Talaga. Ano sila nito? Creepy. Ma! Talaga naman eh. Ano yan? Sino nagupit ng buhok mo?
Si Alex.
Akala ko ba ikaw?
Yung isa. Ako.
Oo. Talaga?
Oo.
Bichiday.
Ay, dahil siya nagugupit.
Bichiday.
Sabi ko, ganun. Ano, bawasan mo to, ganun lang.
Sabi ko mo. Bichiday nga.
Ano yun?
Hindi ano. I was her. Ano ka? She was me. And if there's somebody calling me on, she's the one who's gonna rise. Ano na dito?